Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need access to the LinkedIn page and a campaign manager account tied to billing. Once you have that, create an ad account and immediate campaign group. Install the LinkedIn Insight tag on your site so conversions and retargeting work. Verify it loads. Then open Campaign Manager, pick the ad account, and hit Create Campaign. This is where you begin building ads. Do these first steps now so audience tracking and billing are ready and you avoid backtracking later. Select a single clear objective because LinkedIn optimizes delivery to that goal. Once chosen, narrow your audience with job title, company, skills, seniority, or use matched audiences for first-party lists. Next, pick ad format, single image, carousel, video, or in mail, and upload creative size to LinkedIn specs. Set bid strategy and daily or total budget, then choose schedule and conversion tracking events. Make sure to create 2-3 variations for a /B testing so you can learn what works during the campaign. Review all settings, confirm conversion tracking, then launch your campaign. Monitor performance dashboards daily, emphasize CTR, CPC, conversion rate, and CPA so you spot trends quickly. Once you see winners, scale budget or increase bids, pause underperformers, and iterate creative or audience. Use LinkedIn's reporting to segment by audience, placement, and creative. If deliveries stall, troubleshoot by checking the Insight tag, audience overlap, bid too low, or exhausted audience. Adjust bids, expand targeting, or refresh creative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.